What is COCOMO? COCOMO, Constructive Cost Model, is a software cost estimation model that helps predict the time, effort, and cost required to develop a software project. It was introduced by Barry W. Boehm in 1981 and has since been used widely in the software industry to help project managers and developers plan their projects better. The goal of COCOMO is to provide an accurate estimation of resources, time, people, and budget needed to complete a software project. COCOMO is based on the idea that the amount of work required for a project is proportional to the size of the software, measured in lines of code, LLO. It uses a mathematical formula to compute the effort and development time based on this size, along with several factors that influence the project. Key concepts of COCOMO: software development effort and time. The two most important aspects of COCOMO are the effort, measured in person months, and the development time, measured in months. Effort refers to the total amount of work required by all team members, while development time indicates the number of months required to complete the project. The effort is estimated by a formula. Effort equals A size B, where A and B are constants that depend on the mode of development. Size is the estimated number of lines of code, COCOMO development modes. COCOMO defines 3 different modes of development depending on the type and complexity of the software project. Basic mode. This is used for simple and small projects with well-understood requirements, little complexity, and a small team. In this mode, there are fewer constraints and the estimation process is straightforward. Intermediate mode. This mode is used for moderately complex projects. In this case, the project involves more people, more complexities, and evolving requirements. Additional factors like experience and the use of tools are taken into account. Detailed mode. This mode is used for large and complex projects with significant challenges. The project requires a detailed analysis of various factors, including team size, tools, and project management practices. Effort multipliers and scale factors. COCOMO also introduces effort multipliers and scale factors that affect the total effort required for a project. These are influenced by various factors such as product complexity, how complex the software is, e.g., simple data processing versus real-time systems, team capability, the skill and experience level of the development team, required software reliability, how critical it is for the software to be reliable and error-free. Development environment, the tools, technology, and infrastructure available for the project. These factors can either increase or decrease the effort required to complete the project. COCOMO models. The basic COCOMO model estimates the effort using a simplified formula based on the size of the project. It does not account for factors like team skill or project complexity, so it is best suited for small projects. Intermediate COCOMO. The intermediate COCOMO model takes additional factors into account, such as team experience and product attributes. It provides a more accurate estimate of the effort needed, especially for medium-sized projects where various factors influence the development. Detailed COCOMO. The detailed COCOMO model breaks down the estimation into more specific components. It considers different phases of the software lifecycle, such as design, coding, testing, and deployment. This model is highly useful for large, complex projects with multiple stages and a large team. Real-life use cases of COCOMO. COCOMO can be used in any software development project, but it is particularly helpful in situations where accurate cost estimation is critical. For example, a software company developing a banking application might use COCOMO to estimate the time and effort required to develop various features like transaction processing, account management, and security. Since these applications often involve complex requirements, multiple development teams, and a long project timeline, COCOMO helps predict the cost of development and allocate resources accordingly. Another example could be a company building a mobile application with varying levels of complexity. The team can use COCOMO to estimate the size of the project, then use that estimate to predict how many developers, designers, and testers will be required over a period of time to complete the project. Advantages of COCOMO. One of the biggest advantages of using COCOMO is its flexibility. It can be applied to a wide range of projects, from simple small scale apps to complex enterprise level software. The model is also easy to understand and implement, making it popular among project managers and software engineers. Additionally, by taking various factors into account, team skill, product complexity, it provides more accurate estimates than other simpler estimation techniques. Limitations of COCOMO. Although COCOMO is highly useful, it has some limitations. One of the main limitations is that it relies heavily on the lines of code, block, to estimate effort and cost. This can be an issue because modern software projects may use libraries, frameworks, and auto-generated code, making the loss count less meaningful. Moreover, COCOMO does not account for changing requirements during the software development lifecycle, which can significantly impact the cost and time estimates. As the software industry evolves, there are new challenges like agile development, which COCOMO does not fully address. Conclusion. COCOMO remains one of the most widely used software estimation models because of its ability to provide structured and reliable estimates for software development. By considering factors like team experience, product complexity, and development mode, COCOMO helps teams plan their projects better, allocate resources more efficiently, and ensure that software is delivered on time and within budget. While it has limitations in handling modern development practices, it still serves as a valuable tool in traditional project planning, particularly for medium to large software projects.